Good day, everyone. I'm Darwin Lazaro, your speaker for today's topic, the Internet of Things. Internet of Things is the latest and greatest tech trend in the world today. Millions of people have invested their time and energy, space and money to learn a lot and be part of this technology revolution. So let's start to explore IoT. IoT is a network of interconnected devices and objects that communicate with the ability to bidirectionally transfer data over network. Refers to a type of network to connect anything with the internet base on stipulated protocols through information sensing equipment to conduct information exchange and communication in order to achieve smart recognition, positioning, tracing, monitoring, and administration. Connecting everyday things embedded with electronic software and sensors to the internet, enabling them to collect and exchange data. To make the story short, it can convert dumb things to smart things. And being a smart, it can able to communicate and we can able to speak to devices, listen to the devices, and even understand them. We define IoT in three categories. First, people to people. Second, people to machine or machine to people. And third, machine to machine. Uh, Let us look closely sa mga cellphone natin. So, may mga kasama na yan, mga features, inputs like fingerprint scanner, face recognition, voice activated, or yung si Google, 'di ba? Yung voice lang gamit niya, makakapag-search ka na eh. Gyroscope, GPS, and sample na pagka inano natin yan eh yung light sensor, yung pagkagabi na magdi-dimmer. Yan. And these are the only samples of the inputs or para magiging what we call na part ng IoT. Ito yung pinadadala sa isang IoT platform. Then with the application itself, pagka pagka sinama dito sa mga inputs nito, like bank, for example, fingerprint, yan, yung mga logins, yung mga ganon is part ni IoT. Another example, so meron tayong cellphone. So when we're talking about smart home, smart devices, merong smart lights, smart switches, mag-on and off, smart lock, which yung pwede mo natin i-configure yan dito sa cellphone natin papunta sa bahay. Likewise, si Alexa, magbo-voice, ano yan, voice prompt lang yan eh. When you talk about light, switch on and switch off, according sa mismong platform na yun kung paano mo tatawagin yung command para in order to ma-distinguish niya para ipadala dito sa bahay. Iilaw ngayon yan. Then same thing yung aircon. Same thing with the lock. At saka when it comes sa sasakyan, meron na rin tayong gadgets or kaya natin i-monitor kung saan na yung GPS, 'di ba, sa mga head unit. Kaya nating i-monitor kung nasa yung sasakyan. like GPS tracking system. Si Alexa meron din dito eh. Meron din siyang, pwede nyo din siyang gamitin. Um, it can monitor your speed limit and even yung gas nyo. Kasi ODB2, saksakan nyo lang yan ng isang aparato na Bluetooth, then connected yan mismo sa, sa head unit nyo or smart devices nyo dun, papunta mismo dito sa cellphone nyo, makikita nyo agad yung status nyan. These are the simple, or this is the, ano na naman to, another IoT environment. A word where the real, digital, and the virtual are converging to create smart environments to make energy, transport, cities, and many other areas more intelligent. It's also referred to the general idea of things, especially everyday objects that are readable, recognizable, locatable, addressable through information sensing device, and controllable by internet, irrespective of the communication means. What problems are we trying to solve? Let us give an example sa connected healthcare or the smart health. Once na connected healthcare, either monitoring of condition of patients inside the hospital or in old people's home. So, once na nilagyan natin yan ng mga devices, inputs, na connected sa apps, IoT platforms, and then by feedback is may magmo-monitor or mag-read ng data, then eventually magre-respond yan eh. Kung ano yung urgent, kung may urgent bang kailangan. Imagine nyo, parang parang nandyan mismo agad yung doktor sa tabi mo or nurses para mag-gets habang ikaw ay natutulog lang eh. So, at first, it provides real-time data na kung anong talaga ah yung readings or kung ano talaga yung kalagayan mo. Diyan natin makikita. Same as physical activities monitoring. Wireless sensor placed across the mattress sensing small motion like breathing and heart rate, and large motion caused by tossing and turning during sleep. Kaya niya mag-gather ng data papunta sa smart devices para i-monitor yung patient. So, ginagawa nga niyang yung devices, computer, na smart na yon, 'di ba? Or cellphone, or it's making the devices more smarter. It can provide far superior analytics para for urgent action. Benefits of IoT: efficient resource utilizations, minimizing human effort, which is makikita natin na hindi mo na kailangan tumutok. Kumbaga, a smart device inputs can generally give you the results based on the rules na sinet mo. It save time. So, siyempre, travels, ah kasi real time na rin to eh. Develop of AI through IoT. So, yan na nga, yung programs, magkakaroon na yan ng automatic warning or AI programs na once na reach niya or na-tick niya yun, yung magko-compute na siya ng kanya and then it will send to you. Siyempre, improve security. IoT features. It composed of three. Connect, which can connect virus things to the IoT platform. Analyze, analyze the data collected and use it to build business intelligence. And integrate, integrate various models to improve user interface. Internet of Things is a global infrastructure for the information society, enabling advanced services by interconnecting physical and virtual things based on existing and evolving interoperable information and communication technologies. With the Internet of Things, the communication is extended via internet to all the things that surround us. The Internet of Things is much more than machine-to-machine communication. Wireless sensor networks, 2G, 3G, 4G, GSM, GPRS, RFID, Wi-Fi, GPS, microcontroller, microprocessor, etc. These are considered as being the enabling technologies to make Internet of Things application possible. The Internet of Things is not a single technology, but it is a mixture of different hardware and software technology. The Internet of Things provides solutions based on the integration of information technology, which refers to hardware and software used to store, retrieve, and process data, and communication technology, which include electronic system used for communication between individuals or groups. Enabling technologies can be grouped into three categories. First, technologies that enable things to acquire contextual information. Second, technologies that enable things to process contextual information. And third, technologies to improve security and privacy. The first two categories can be jointly understood as functional building blocks required building intelligence into things, which are indeed the features of differentiate the IoT from the usual internet. The third category is not a functional but rather de facto requirement, without which the penetration of the IoT will be severely reduced. IoT data transfer. Since na-introduce ko na naman sa inyo yung devices and about the IoT, uh, dito ko yung data manipulation, makikita natin. From the device, papadala niya by means of sensor data, events, alarm, device health, papunta sa IoT backend or the IoT platforms. From the IoT platforms, nandyan yung operational efficiency, system monitoring, cost optimization, informed decision making, which is siya yung magde-decide kung or yung tawag dito basta kung ano yung rules then pabalik sa device which compose of commands, software upgrade or controls. and so on. Let's talk about the primary building blocks, the devices, the IoT platform, and the external or enterprise system. Let's go with the devices. Devices, kagaya nung kanina natin pinag-uusapan, meron na siyang sensors, gyroscope, or something face recognition, voice. Sa isang device pa lang yon. What if meron tayong healthcare system na minomonitor yung heartbeat or etc. Then, together with the gateways, padadala niya yung kay IoT platform. Cloud-based, on-premises, open source. And IoT platform is consists of multiple functions, computation, analytics, and preceded by the external system, which is yung CRM, ERF, weather commerce, which is for sila yung nag-monitor. Then, or else, ano, rules, or kung isa-isa sang company, kung ano yung rulings din, ipapadala niya dito pabalik kay devices. So, sa healthcare, si doktor na nakakakita on real time, nakakita ng result or data na galing kay patients, by real time, pwede niya ipadala kay patient yung mga datang na-observe niya. So, if si patient is need to go sa hospital, need babaan yung something na kung ano yung kailangan niya sa health niya, yun. So, makikita na natin yung building blocks mismo ni Internet of Things, which ito na yung devices, IoT platform, and external enterprise system. Internet of Things is not a single technology. It's a way of solving problem. It's an ecosystem of lot of technology that are able to solve problem. Let's discuss about its embedded system. Embedded system are the inputs, whether or how it will get the informations or the data, followed by the communications. Either it will use the HTTPS or Bluetooth, then cloud computing. It's cloud or premises like Azure, analytics. These are the where the algorithm take place. Integration example is API. Then mobility. This is mobile apps, which is been able to get or to interact, and followed by the UI UX, which is the web based. Let's have an example with case study 1, connected healthcare. Kagaya nung pinag-usapan natin kanina, medyo expand lang natin para mas maintindihan natin or as set natin as example. Si patient, then sa opposite side is si healthcare worker. So start tayo kay patient. Si patient, siya yung magmamonitor ng kanyang blood or what, or merong app Bluetooth na aparato naka-connect mismo kay gateway plus mobile app na uh, isi-sense or sensor yan na i-get niya yung mga temperature or what na makukuha nito ng app na to by means of Bluetooth device, kumbaga device na. Then ito naman si mobile app which is yung kanina natin na mobility, di ba? Siya yung makikipag-communicate by means of HTTPS, the communication itself. Then, bibigay niya yan mismo kay IoT platform which is magpe-perform yan si analytic platform ng analytics, command and control, API which is nakikita naman nito ni health support system by means of API. Si healthcare support system yan yung minomonitor naman ang bawa ni healthcare worker in order to find yung kung ano yung presently na about doon sa patient. So mag-insert yan ng rules or something na kung ano yung dapat. Then pupasok siya ulit kay IoT platform which is magte-take sila ng command and control. Then babalik niya yan kay HTTPS papunta kay mobile app which is yung mobility nga. Then si mobile app siya yung kung ano yung binato mo siyang babalik sa iyo yung result na makikita mo mismo ni patient in order na sabihin sa kanya relax ka lang or pumunta ka na dito sa ospital kailangan kitang i-test further. To yung case study 1 as connected healthcare or smart health. Then dito naman tayo sa case study 2, the asset monitoring which is ako yung company na i-monitor ko lang yung about the smart refrigeration. Yeah, syempre yung lamig niyan, di ba? And dito naman is dalawa lang i-monitor niyan dito. The sensor is monitoring the temperature or monitoring the events o kung ilang beses binuksan, sinara yung pintuan ng refrigerant. Then by means of gateway, not necessarily cellphone, gateway telemetry events, kumbaga ipapadala niya yan kay IoT platform. Data ingestion, rules engine, alerts, notification, command and control. Ito naman, yung rules engine nito is custom to ng bawat kung iba-iba kasi ang rulings ng IoT platform pagdating sa rules engine. According yan sa mismong may hawak or company. So, dito naman, binabato naman nito ni IoT platform papunta kay Dictation admin app. Ano naman ang merong application dito. Then, pag nakita ni admin, command ko i-set natin ng ganito ang temperature. Then, control na mismo, command and control signal, new setting. Kumbaga, babaguhin mismo, automatic na yung settings na nandun sa refrigeration na yun. Nagaling mismo kay Technician Admin App. Ayan ang case study natin. 2. Asset monitoring. IoT data flow. So, based doon sa pinag-aralan natin kanina na building blocks, medyo palawigin lang natin. At first captured, which is the devices. which is dito magagather sensors, di ba? Kung ano yung mga data dito ipadadala sa gateway, kukunin ng gateway or padadala sa gateway by means of process. Under niyan may HTTP nang gaganap dyan inside. Process, store, analyze, which is composition of kinukompose siya ng blocks ng IoT platforms. Stream ingestion processing, store structured data, unstructured data, then machine learning, big data store and analytic, artificial intelligence, which is nakikita niyo yung mga ginagawa niyang algorithms lahat. So, kino-compute niya na kung ano yung built-in sa program, lahat yan dyan. Then, after nun, may i-visualize pa yan which is the external system na admin portal, apps, or APR. Diyan na yan yung result mismo from the data captured, ipaprocess, then stored, then after analyze, then magbibigay ng final result yan as visual. That's the internet data flow. Let's talk about its architecture. So, going back kanina sa building blocks niya, device, the other two is the IoT platform and the enterprise system and external system. So, as we can see, after gathering the data dito ng device, kukuhain yan gagather yan mismo by Bluetooth ni, ni Bluetooth or gateway. Siya yung nakakonect mismo sa papunta sa internet After nun, HTTPS by means of HTTPS and kukunin yan ng data ingestion ng IoT platform. So, stream process, data store, perform siya ng analytics, then kaano siya ng business services or the rules and integration service, the API visualization. Then enterprise system and external system, siya na yung mag-perform or mag-gather ng control pabalik dito kay internet platform. Si IoT platform, which is from the IoT platform pabalik mismo sa device. Mayroon pa tayong hindi natatakal dito na isa sa IoT platform, which is the device management. Ito mismo yung security. Kasi meron din yan security, device management. Once na hindi niya na-meet yung conditions, ibabalik na siya. Hindi na siya ipaprocess what I mean, hindi siya kumbaga babalik yan, store data, hindi siya mag-store. Kumbaga babalik yan. Kailangan ma-meet niya yung certain security bago siya mag-process in isa integration services. Lahat yan then pabalik sa kanya bago iba to ulit kay devices. Let's have another example. This example of its architecture is same lang din to Parang tinayo lang natin Makita nyo, si device, smart device sensor layer, nandito yan sa part na to. Then followed by network communication layer, follow daw, which composed of gateways, network gateways yung palabas ng HTTP, yung or by means of HTTP. Well, dito sa service support, application, and support layer, dyan na yan. Yung virtual entity, yung business process modeling, identity management, access control, which is the command and control, and the final layer is the application layer, which is yung nakikita ng mga kanina, yung mga doktor, enterprise system, external system. Iyan mismo ang architecture ng Internet of Things. The integration of IoT with other technology like cloud computing, machine learning, artificial intelligence. Hindi kompleto ang Internet of Things kung wala nito. So, that that is that's the Internet of Things.